Sugar stops to be taken up by the government today. 8,000 crore rupee financial package is in the works as indicated by the Food Minister to help cash-strapped mills repay massive cane arrears. Let's go across to Ruchi Bhatia, who's joining us with more details on that. Ruchi, how likely is it to happen and what could be the benefits for the sugar industry?
It is absolutely very likely that the cabinet will be taking up that mega package to support sugarcane farmers today. Remember, sugar industry is an important agriculture-based industry that impacts the livelihood of almost 5 crore sugarcane farmers. And recently we have seen how in 2017-2018, the sugar season, we've witnessed the highest ever production in the country. And that has resulted to depressed prices of sugar, surplus domestic sugar production. And this is exactly why the government has decided to step in to aid the farmers now. Now, we understand that this 8,000 crore mega package will include various things that the government is now looking to do. We understand that this will include increase in custom duty on imported sugar from 50% to 100%, removal of custom duty on export of sugar, imposition of reverse stock holding limits on sugar mills, and apart from that, we also understand that there will be some sort of a minimum selling price also that will be put for sugar. This package will also include a major scheme worth close to 4,400 crores for increasing the ethanol capacity in the country, which will help in diversion of sugarcane for production of ethanol in surplus season to facilitate timely payment to sugarcane farmers as well. So, a host of things that the government is now planning to do to aid the sugarcane farmers. And remember, this decision is also coming in at a time when the government has realized that they need to focus on pushing the rural, the rural areas as well, to ensure there's no distress in the rural areas, and decision coming in the last 1 year of the Modi government. So they categorically know that the output the sugarcane farmer is going through, it needs some sort of a support. We have seen the government clearing sugar subsidy also for sugarcane farmers and sugarcane companies. And that decision was taken about 2 months ago. Again, a big mega sugar package that is coming now. And add to this, the government is already contemplating a sugar cess under GST as well. So they are going out of their way to aid the sugarcane farmers in this, in a bid to provide some sort of a relief for the sector.
Ruchi, thanks much for those important details. We'll obviously keep you on top of that story as and when the developments do play out. Let's also listen in to Food and Public Distribution Minister Ram Vilas on the financial package for the sugar sector.
हमारे यहाँ से कैबिनेट नोट चला गया है. हमको जब उम्मीद है, क्या कहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द, क्या कहते हैं कि कैबिनेट की बैठक में आ जाना चाहिए.
अनाउंस हुआ था मई में, वो भी इंक्लूडेड है, जो 5 रुपए 50 पैसा वो भी है.
बट सर जो इंक्लूडेड है ना,
सर लेकिन कंडीशंस ऐसी हैं कि अभी भी मिल्स ने वो अप्लाई नहीं किया है, वो 5 रुपीज़ 50 रुपीज़ पर क्विंटल की सब्सिडी.
आपको थोड़ा वेट कीजिए ना. आज कल परसों में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस यदि हो जाएगा कैबिनेट के बाद, तो सारा चीज़ क्लियर हो जाएगा कि इसमें कितना रहेगा.